Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar. Myself Varun. In this video we will see how to play the song Raja Raja Cholannan from the Tamil movie Retteval Kuruvi. So I'm playing the starting beat portion only, so I hope you can learn from this video. So we will see the notes of this song. The notes actually starting from this note. So I played all the notes in the first and second string. You can play in a single string as well. So the first note I played from the second string, B. So B and then first string E. So only two strings all the notes are playing in these two strings, that is first and second string, starting from the note B in the second string. So B, first string E. So B, E, E, B, that is Raja Raja. So B, E, E, B, that is Raja Raja. So actually the initial part itself he's having that lyrics. So bit is actually, so this is the first part. So B, E, E, B, then A in the second string. So notes are A, B and E. A and B in the second string and E in the first string. So A, B, E. Only these three notes are coming. A, B, E. A and B in second string and E in the first string. So B, B, E. So B, E, E, B. Then A. So you have seen that bit. And again. So this is actually the starting bit portion. So note is actually from B, E, E, B, then A, and again. So this is G, A. So this is the first part, and second part start with, that is G, A, B, E, E, B. So only difference is that additional G and A is coming. This is the first part. Second part, and we are stopping at G. So B, E, E, B, A, and then G, A, B, E, E, B, A, G, and the last part of the starting bit is, so that note is B, E, E, B. B in the second string, E in the first string. So B, E, E, B. And again B, F sharp, F sharp, B. So the combination is B, E, E, B, then B, F sharp, F sharp, B. This E and F sharp in the first string and B is in the second string. And next one is, so that note is E, G, F sharp, E, G, F sharp, and this note A. So E, G, F sharp, A, and next part is, this is G, B, G, B. So all these notes are playing in the first string. So once again I will say the notes. This is E, all the notes are in the first string now, that is E, G, F sharp, A, G, B, plain note, that is G, A, B, G, A, B in the first string. So if you are playing all together, it will be first part, second part, this is it. This is the starting bit portion, and then the lyrics is coming. So that also same. Okay, notes are almost same for the Pallavi part. So thank you. Keep learning.